Hello, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to generate PDF files using ChatGPT. I want ChatGPT to save me time and effort, so I've asked it to write code to fetch the data from my class and to create a PDF file with it. I've already set up my environment, so let's see what ChatGPT has prepared for us. In my prompt, I said that I'm using SashiDo with Power Server version 3.1.3. I've also briefly explained the structure of my class movie data. Afterwards, I asked ChatGPT to generate the code in a way that it doesn't require any editing on my behalf. As you can see, ChatGPT has already generated the code I need to use, and it's done it in a matter of seconds. It suggests that we use the custom npm module PDFKit for the job. Under the code block, you can see that it's also included an explanation of how the code works. I've simply copy and pasted the code in my local environment and haven't changed it. ChatGPT has written the code in a way that it saves the PDF file in my current directory. We can of course change that if we'd like to. We can quickly find where we need to go and what we need to change thanks to the comments. I'm running the code and you can see that it notified me that the PDF file was generated successfully. As expected, it was also saved in my current directory. This is what the end result looks like. Feel free to customize the code to your liking and let us know how you use ChatGPT in your professional life. We'd be happy to hear about it.